Hey, I'm Jules, and this is
Millie.
And today we're going to make some
Christmas bookmarks.
Yay! This is a fun, simple, easy project. All you'll need is
scissors, pencils, origami paper, markers, glue,
and your creative attitude.
Yeah!
Awesome. So which one are you going to make?
Penguin.
Penguin. And who are you going to give it to?
My friend at school.
Okay, and I'm going to make the reindeer because that's your favorite, and I'm going to give mine to you.
Yay!
Okay, so let's get started. So you will need a piece of white paper, and I'm going to use this orange paper. Take your piece of paper and bring it corner to corner. Now, let's turn it any way that you need to bring one of these corners into the center corner.
Like that?
Yep, very good. Okay, now turn it any way you need to bring the other corner into the center corner.
Repeat that step.
Repeat the step, that's right, very good. Great, so now you should have like a diamond shape. Very good. Turn yours around so they can see it. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so unfold it. I know that seems kind of weird, but unfold it. Now you're going to take just the this part, and bring it down to the long side. Okay, so it looks like that. Nice, it almost looks like a little spaceship or a hat. Okay, so watch me first and then you give it a try, okay? So now I'm going to take these flaps one at a time. I'm going to push it back to the front and then fold it under. I'm going to tuck it under, inside. And maybe it helps if you leave it down. Yep. So it looks just like that. But you want it to be, see how mine is flush? See how it's square? You want it to be all the way in there so that it's... Sometimes it helps if you leave it on the table and you just have to push that little corner all the way down in, just like that. And then you give it a good crease. So now let's try the other side. So I'm going to pull that back up to the top. And sometimes if you lead, watch, if you lead with that corner and then smush it around and push it down.
Like
that. Very good. Very good, Millie. That's perfect.
Now that we're all done with our shape, we can get the pencil and
so this is the part. Yeah, so now you can decorate it with anything you want. Markers, glue, whatever you want. So Millie's going to put a cute little hat on top of hers. So grab your pencil. So I'll help you with yours first. This is the template that I used for this guy. See? Yeah, so what I did was I kind of put it like on top of it like this, and then you can draw a circle and then a beanie on top. And you want to there you go. And I need a red Rudolph nose, so I'm going to grab some red for my Rudolph nose.
Now I'm all done with my hat. I need the scissors.
Okay, so you're going to cut yours out. I'm going to draw a red circle for my nose. There's my red circle. I'll cut that out as soon as Millie's done. And then I'm also going to need to draw some antlers. I already have a great pair right here. Don't those look cute?
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Now I need the blue.
Oh, so actually for the penguin, you should color in the black part first with marker. The best way to do the antlers is to fold the paper kind of like this so that you can get them the same, right? Yeah. So now I will have two pieces. So now I'm just going to I'll draw it with markers so you guys can see it better. Any kind of antler shape that you like. I like that. Might have gotten a little too thin at the bottom there. And since I folded the paper, now I'll have 2 identical antlers. We'll cut those out. So there's my 2 antlers there. Now I will, ooh, your penguin looks so cute.
Thank you.
Okay, so I can just put a little drop of glue on that antler. Whoop, that's a little too much. That's okay. And a little one on that one. And then I can just hover the orange bookmark over that glue area and then press it down, kind of like that.
Now I'm going to start on my hat.
Decorate it first or put it on first. So I just glued my antlers on like that. The glue will dry shortly. Now I'll drop a little bit of glue right here to attach my cute little Rudolph nose. Very cute. We also have a paint pen here because markers don't come in white. You could cut out eyes in white paper if you don't have a white marker paint pen. A cute little, oh my gosh, so cute. I can blow on this a little bit so it dries quicker. Now I'll just outline the eyes. Give them a cute little eyeball in each one. And I am done with my Rudolph. Let's take a look at this cute little Christmas tree. I did that in the same way. And then I just made little slits in the sides there to make it look like more like a tree. And then I just put marker on there. You could use glitter. You can use anything that you have at your house to decorate these. They are so cute and fun, and there's really no wrong way to decorate them. Oh, well done, fist bump. Nice job. Okay, so let's see how it looks on the book. Yay! I love it. Great job. Okay. So again, I made mine for my daughter Millie here because she loves the reindeer. And tell us again who you made yours for.
My friend Avery at school.
All right. Now, Amory likes penguins, so she will be very excited. They're really into reading now, so these are a great little Christmas gift to give to your friends for the holidays. All right, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any day of our 25-day Countdown to Christmas Art and Gift Challenge.
Woo-hoo.
Woo. All right, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.